Yo, for friends, quick sharing lang sa mga ginagawa natin. Tingnan tayo mga leftover na pagkain pagkain natin. Ayan, yung mga tagal na nasa rep. Yan ang ginagawa natin dito ay of course, pinapakita natin. Ayan, ito ay from sinampalukang manok. And then sharing din na information na not all foods are good or okay for our pets, and breaking the misconception yan na all foods na, especially yung mga piece na leftover like yung tinik ay for cats and for dogs ay yung buto. Ayan, misconception yan, wrong meat or wrong paniniwala or belief about our pets feeding. Okay, gagawin natin dito kung meron ka tayong mga leftover ay first ay need natin to rinse this piece of meat. This is chicken. Okay, let's wash it.
Okay, because the spices is not good to our pets, especially pag may mga onions, garlic, ginger, and chili, something is not good for them. Kaya need natin talagang iwas ko ng mabuti.
Okay, here are the leftover chicken prepare. Ayan, minced to tiny pieces, bite size. Ayan, then for us to sure that is has no spices sa mga meat na nga, ay i-wash natin ulit, pero hindi na masyado. Kumbaga, lagyan na natin ng tubig and rinse it again.
Water. Then add again bit of water. Then for hydration rin.
Okay, even chicken is one of the favorite food of cats. Mag-a-add pa rin tayo ng portion lang ng cat wet food na favorite nyo rin. Ayan, para may added lasa. Ayan.